Hey guys, it's Lisa. Imagine you're driving to a derby party or anywhere in a car and your passenger puts the window down and your ears are like going bam, 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 bam. Well, you know, that's from the air mass coming in and the air mass going out, and it's like a perfect storm of air mass. It's making your ears go crazy. Well, the guys from EDM Motorsports, they created a product to fix that. Guys, this is the EDM Motorsports Wind Diffuser Save Your Eardrums product that actually matches the carbon fiber on my pants. It's super awesome, super easy to put on. I'm gonna show you. All you have to do is take the tape off the back. After you've taken off the tape, all you have to do is align it to the black rubber part. And just push it on, make sure that it's aligned here, and apply pressure. Push it on, make sure it's on tight. That's all you have to do. Voila, you're done. And you've saved your eardrums, super easy.